Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to answer for Chikkaballapur district level SSLC preparatory paper 2023. In that one, we are going to answer for part A physics. Now let us answer the first main, that is MCQ questions. So there are 3 MCQ questions. Let us answer one by one. The first question of preparatory paper is the formula used to find the power of lens. So power of lens na find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಮಿರರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ದು, ಇದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು P is equal to 1/f ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, P is equal to 1/f is the right answer. Then coming to the second question, in the second question he asked, so the second question is the part of the solar cooker responsible for greenhouse effect is plane mirror, glass plate, inner block surface, all the above ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, so the right answer for this question is glass plate. Through the glass plate, the infrared radiation coming from the sun is trapped, and in that one, so the greenhouse effect will increases. So now, coming to the second question, the right answer is option B, that is glass plate. So glass plate is the right answer. Then coming to the third question, the minimum speed of the wind to harness wind energy for the production of electricity is 15 km per hour, 10 km per hour, 20 km per hour and 5 km per hour. So the right answer is 15 km per hour. So option A, 15 km. Option A, 15 km per hour is the right answer. Then let us move for the second main. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಪಾತ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ electric current flows. The path in which electric current flows is called, ಯಾವ ಪಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಆ ಪಾತನ್ನು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಪಾತ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, why is the tungsten used for making filaments in electric bulb? So the right answer is first one, it has IMP, that is it has high melting point. Second one is it has high resistivity. For 1 marks it's enough. Then coming to sixth question. So in the sixth question he asked, preparation of biogas is boon to farmers, justify this statement ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, by this he can get source of energy for cooking. ಸೊ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯ ಸೋರ್ಸು ಸಿಕ್ತಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಸೊ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ or spent slurry can be used as manure, natural manure. So these are the 2 things that you can answer for this question, because it is only 1 marks question. Then coming to the next question, that is a seventh one, The potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is 60 volts when it draws a current of 4 ampere from the source. What current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120? ಸೊ 60 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟು 4 ಆಂಪರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೊ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ನ ನಾವು 120ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ main seventh question. So first now let us write V is equal to 60 volts, I is equal to 4 ampere. Now let us calculate the resistance first. According to Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I. R is equal to, what is V? 60 divided by I. I is how much? 4. So resistance is equal to 4 ones are 4 15s. So resistance is equal to 15 ohm. Now again make a list. R is equal to 15 ohm. Voltage is equal to 120 volts. Then I is equal to question mark. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to V andre 120 by R is 15. 15 ones are 15 eights. So that is I is equal to 8 ampere. Therefore, the current that flows through the circuit when the potential difference is 120 volt is 8 ampere. Now, let us move for the next question. That is question number 8. In question number 8, mention the causes for myopia. Myopia ge karana. Draw the diagram to show myopia is corrected. So, let us answer these two questions. So the causes for myopia is because of excessive. First reason is excessive curvature of lens. Lens na curvature ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. As the curvature increases, focal length decreases. That is the main reason. ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು because due to elongation of eyeball. So eyeball ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Because due to elongation of eyeball. So these are the two reasons for two causes for myopia. So myopia ge karana excessive curvature of the lens. Due to this one, as the curvature increases, focal length decreases. Therefore, the image is formed in front of the retina but not on the retina. So this is the diagram that you have to write for correction. So this is the diagram you have to write for the correction of myopia. So actually ಹಿಂಗಿರಬೇಕು. This is the when the image is formed on the retina. But ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, image is formed. So now due to excessive curvature of the lens, the image is formed in front of the retina. For correction, we are using concave lens. So this is the concave lens we have to use for correction of myopia. When concave lens is used, see, the image is formed on the retina. So this is about what we call correction for diagram for correction of myopia. So ಒಂದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So next fourth main ninth question. Why is the parallel arrangement used for domestic circuit? Now let us answer for this question. So parallel arrangement ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಮೊದಲನೇದು, so the reason for parallel connection is current will be divided. So current divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Current will be divided. This is the first reason. And the second reason is voltage will be same. If you go for parallel connection, voltage will be same. All the appliances will get the same voltage, but current will be divided to each appliances. Next, the third is if one appliance fails to work, other appliances are not affected. ಬೇರೆ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್ಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನೇ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So this is the third one, and the fourth one is if one appliances is switch on or switch off, others are not affected. ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 4 ರೀಸನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, domestic circuit. Then coming to 10th question. In the 10th question, what are magnetic field lines? List the properties of magnetic field lines ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಫೈನ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್: ಮೋಟಾರ್, ಕಾಮುಟೇಟರ್, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್? ದ ರೀಜನ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್, the region around the magnet where magnetic force is experienced, where magnetic force is experienced will be in the form of lines called magnetic field lines. Then what are the properties of magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines emerges from north pole and merges at south pole outside the magnet, and merges at south pole outside the magnet. This is the first property. Second property, magnetic field lines move from south pole to north pole inside the magnet. Then the third one is magnetic field lines never intersect each other. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. And coming to the fourth point, magnetic field line is a continuous, it is a continuous closed loop. Magnetic field line is a continuous closed loop. And the fifth one and the last property is that the magnetic field line strength will be more at the pole than at the center. So these are the things, these are the properties that you have to keep it in mind regarding that what we call properties of magnetic field lines. In that one internal choice question is there: motor, commutator, short circuit. We have to define them. So internal choice question, in that one the first question, motor. What is a motor? A device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. A device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is called motor. Then second definition, what is a commutator? A part of a motor which A part of a motor which reverses the direction of current. Direction of current. ಇದನ್ನು split ring commutator ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Then coming to the third one, short circuit. So what is short circuit? The condition of having almost zero resistance in a circuit with heavy current is called short circuit. So these are the things that you have to learn regarding that is a 10th question. So internal choice question definition we have finished. Now the 11th question is draw a diagram of a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. That means you have to write the diagram of generator, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜನರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಕಾನಿಕಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮೆಕಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜನರೇಟರ್. You are writing the diagram of generator, you have to mention any two parts. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Now let us answer for the 12th question. Why do stars twinkle? Explain. Planet do not twinkle. Why? So let us answer. In this one also one internal choice question is there. So now let us answer for the first. Why do stars twinkle and planets do not twinkle? So this is for 5th main 12th question. In that one A question is why the stars twinkle. So now when a light coming from a star enter the earth's atmosphere, it undergoes atmospheric refraction. It undergoes atmospheric refraction on account of varying refractive index of air at different points. This continuously changing atmosphere refracts the light from a star appears to be twinkle. So like this we have to answer for why the stars will twinkle. Now let us answer why why the planet do not twinkle. Why the planets do not twinkle? Let us answer for this one. So we know that planets are much closer to Earth, and are considered as a collection of a large number of point-sized source of light. Point-sized source of light. Point-sized source of light. Although light from each point flickers due to atmospheric refraction, yet the total amount of light entering our eye remain unchanged. This make us to feel that planet do not twinkle. So this is about exam guarantee question stars will twinkle, planets do not twinkle. Guarantee 100% exam question. So now let us move for the next one. In that internal choice question, explain the formation of rainbow. 1. Why does sky appears blue? 2. Why does the sky appears dark for astronauts? So now let us answer all the 3 questions, it is an internal choice question. Now let us answer them. So first question in that option, that is internal choice question, the first question is why explain the formation of rainbow. So now let us know how the rainbow is formed. So rainbow ಹೇಗೆ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So first question, formation of rainbow. So now after rain, in the presence of sunlight, so after rain in the presence of sunlight, ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತೋಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. when the sunlight falls on that water droplet, so at the beginning when the light enters from one medium to another, idu air medium, illi it is entering into water medium, the light will get bent, that means refraction will takes place. So now when after rain in the presence of sunlight, when sunlight enters into the water droplets, refraction takes place. So refraction takes place, then internal reflection takes place. Internal reflection takes place. Then after this, now the light travels from water to air. Again refraction takes place. Refraction takes place in atmosphere. By this, refraction takes place in atmosphere. By this, our eye can observe 7 different color pattern called rainbow. So like this the rainbow will be formed. ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the light enters from water. ಫಸ್ಟು ಏರಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ, ಅವಾಗ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. The refracted ray will be absorbed by the observer. Now observer is observing 7 different color pattern, and these 7 different color pattern is called as rainbow. So like this the rainbow is formed. Now let us know how the sky appears blue. The air molecules in the atmosphere have small size particles so that it scatters light of shorter wavelength that is blue, violet and indigo, which has shorter wavelength. Our eyes are more sensitive to blue light, so we see that sky appears blue. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಲೈಟ್ಗೆ ಮೋರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ, that is it is more sensitive to blue color. Therefore the blue color will reaches our eye, and our eye sees that the sky appears blue. So this is the answer why the sky appears blue. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, sky appears dark for astronauts. So now let us answer for this question. Because due to lack of atmosphere in space, there will be no refraction. This is the reason. ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಾಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ that is 12th question. Now let us move for the 13th question and the last question of the physics part. An object 5 cm in height is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. So find the position of the image, its nature and size. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ವೆನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಮಿರರ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ 13th ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಹೀಗಿದೆ 13th, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ an object 5 cm in height. that is h naught is equal to plus 5 centimeter. Then is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. Object distance is given, u is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Then radius of curvature is given, so radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. Then the focal length will be of 30 by 2, which is equal to convex ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ focal length na plus ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, plus 15 centimeter. Now we have to find out what is the position of the image. So v is equal to question mark. So now let us use the mirror formula. 1 over f is equal to 1 over v plus 1 over u. 1 over what we want? V. 1 over v is equal to 1 over f. You shift 1 over plus 1 over u, it will become minus 1 over u. 1 over f is equal to 1 over 1 over v is equal to 1 over f is 15 minus divided by 1 by u is minus 20. So 1 over v is equal to 1 over 15 minus by minus is plus 1 over 20. ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ v ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸೇ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ is always virtual. So 1 over v is equal to, now let us take the LCM for 15 and 20. So let us divide by 5, 5 3s are 5 4s are 3 1s are, then 2 1s 2 2s are, then again 2 1s are. So now 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are will become 60. So 60 is the LCM. Now let us find the LCM now once again. So 5 in the divide, 5 3s are 5 4s are 3 1s are 4 as it is, then 2 2s are, then 2 1s are. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. 15 1s are the 60, 4s are 20 1s are the 3s are. 1 over v is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7 divided by 60. Reciprocal of 1 over v, v. Reciprocal of 7 by 60, 60 by 7. So v is equal to plus, you divide 7 8s are 56, 4 remainder 40 point itkonಡ್ರೆ, then 7 5s are 35. So it is equal to, the image is formed at a distance of 8.5 centimeter. Plus indicates that the image formed is, it is virtual and erect. Now let us write the answer, that is image position, then nature and size. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸೈಜನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now let us find the size of the image. So h naught is given as plus 5 centimeter, v is equal to plus 8.5 centimeter, u is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Now let us find out the height of the image. So hi by h naught is equal to minus v by u. So hi is equal to minus v into h naught divided by u. Hi is equal to minus that is 8.5 into h naught is 5 divided by u is minus 20. So my 5 1s are 5 4s are. So minus by minus is plus will become. So ನೋಡಿ height of the image ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸೇ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ image is erect. Now let us divide by 8.5, let us divide by 4. 4 2s are 8, then 0.5, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, then 5 4 1s are 4, 1, then again 0, 4 2s, it will be 2.12 centimeter. ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿನ ಹೈಟು 5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಮೇಜಿನ ಹೈಟು 2.12 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮಿರರ್. ಸೊ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮಿರರ್. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು, ಎರಡನೇದು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್? ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್. The image formed in a convex mirror is always virtual and erect. Then coming to the size of the image, so image size is diminished. Image size is diminished. So image in a size diminish agide. So these are the three things that you have to write in this one. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾ, ದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೇ, ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ all lie on the same plane. The incident ray, the normal ray and refracted ray all lie on the same plane. Then coming to the second law ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, the ratio of sine of an angle of incidence to that of sine of an angle of refraction. Sine of an angle of refraction is constant. So this is the law of refraction. So according to second law, sin I divided by sin R is equal to constant. So this is about the physics part. We have answered all the 13 questions successfully. We have answered it. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those who have subscribed, please watch my videos, share my videos and encourage my videos. And those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. So this question paper PDF link will be shared in the description. Please, you can download that paper and you can answer that one. So thank you once again. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.